Our first stop takes us to the heart of South America, to the vibrant city of Medellin, Colombia. Once notorious for its tumultuous past, today's Medellin paints a different picture. A city reborn, it enthralls with its innovative urban design, lush parks, and dynamic art scene. The innovative metro cable system offers a unique perspective of the city, while the Comuna 13 neighborhood tells a tale of transformation through vibrant street art. In Medellin, every corner whispers a story of resilience and reinvention. Next, we journey to the land of the rising sun, but not where you might expect. Forget Tokyo or Kyoto. The northern island of Hokkaido is where Japan's heart truly lies. As the seasons change, so does Hokkaido, crafting a symphony of colors from cherry blossom pinks to fiery autumn hues. The island's capital, Sapporo, is a testament to Japan's innovative spirit, while the untouched wilderness of Daisatsuzen National Park offers a tranquil retreat. Hokkaido, a place where tradition meets nature, is Japan's best-kept secret. We then voyage to the other side of the world, to a land where time stands still, the Faroe Islands. Nestled between Norway and Iceland, this archipelago of 18 volcanic islands is a paradise untouched. Dramatic cliffs plunge into the wild North Atlantic Ocean, while quaint villages dot the rugged landscape. The Faroese people, with their rich seafaring history and distinctive language, add a layer of cultural charm. The Faroe Islands, where the raw beauty of nature reigns supreme, is a destination like no other. Our final destination brings us back to Asia, to the historic city of Tbilisi, Georgia. Cradled between the east and the west, Tbilisi is a city of contrasts. Ancient fortresses and Orthodox churches share the skyline with futuristic architecture. The charming old town, with its winding streets and wooden balconies, exudes an old-world charm, while the burgeoning food and wine scene offers a taste of Georgia's rich culinary heritage. Tbilisi, a city where past, present, and future coexist, is a testament to Georgia's enduring spirit. In summary, whether it's Medellin's transformational journey, Hokkaido's untouched beauty, the Faroe Islands' raw allure, or Tbilisi's harmonious contrast, each destination offers a unique narrative waiting to be discovered. These trending locales, each with their distinctive charm and story, are the new faces of travel, inviting the curious and the adventurous to explore beyond the well-trodden paths.